there, it's goodbye chrome, hello clunks. We love our beaters with crack-tail trunks. Give us T-tops, digital dash. We'll take your Firebird and make it flash. They're stuck in the 50s, still waxing their ride, while we're coding ECU tunes on the passenger side. Grandpa will treat her with care right after we slam it in tin